Our next recipe is pumpkin fluff, and it sounds more like a dessert, which it can be a dessert or it can be a dip. First, you're going to need a can of pumpkin, and I've already added my pumpkin pie spice seasoning to the canned pumpkin. I forgot to wait to measure it out, but you'll need 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice to add to this to make it taste more like a pumpkin pie. So you'll add your can of pumpkin to the bowl. Next, you're going to need some vanilla, instant vanilla pudding and pie filling mix. We're going to add that and stir it up. I'm going to give it a good stir. Mix all the dry ingredients with the can of pumpkin. Okay, got that all mixed in. Then next, we're going to add in some whipped topping. Mine's still a little frozen yet, but you know what, that happens. Try to make sure that you have it thawed out so it's a little bit easier to stir, but it'll still work that way. And you're going to fold that in. You're going to keep folding until it's all incorporated or all mixed together, and it'll turn a little bit lighter color. See, it's all getting mixed. I'm using a spatula because it's a pretty easy way to scrape the bottom and the sides. And I'm trying to mix in the last of the little bit of frozen whipped topping that I had. And voila, there you go. It's all ready to serve. This is really good to eat with apple slices, ginger snaps, graham crackers, Teddy Grahams, or vanilla wafers. They all taste really good with this. Or you can eat it alone as like a mousse or a pudding type dessert, and it's pretty healthy for you. So you have to let me know once you try it out how you liked it. Again, this is the recipe for pumpkin fluff.